What's up, hustlers? You are tuning in to Hustle with Mohau Matji. Today we have yet another exciting episode. Today we are gonna be discussing Nasdaq 100. I'm gonna show you how to find your stop losses. I'm gonna show you how to find your take profits. So please make sure you are tuned in. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more exciting episodes like this. Without wasting any time, let's get into it. Okay, guys, now we are gonna be looking at Nasdaq 100. So we are looking at Nasdaq 100 from an hourly time frame, which is 1 hour time frame. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna mark my support and resistance through a channel. I'll just show you quickly. This is how I'm gonna mark it. So this is my channel. This is my channel. So what we are gonna do here, I'm just gonna mark it here. If you're using TradingView to do your analysis, which I recommend very much when it comes to analyzing the market, you just clone your support and then you take it to your as resistance so that they are directly proportional. So we are not gonna dwell much on this time frame, on the hourly time frame. We are actually gonna be looking at the 15 minutes time frame, but I'm just want to show you something on this time frame. This is a resistance zone, so I'm just going to show you what's happening here. This is a high resistance zone. Even now the market is trying to resist this level, so I'm just gonna show you what I mean when I say the market is trying to resist this level. If you look at it, has touched this level, it has touched this level, and it has touched this level also. So I usually take my resistance as a zone. Why do I do that? Because remember, a resistance is more like a supply. It's more like supply and demand. Resistance and support are more like supply and demand. So that's why I take them as zones. Usually supply and demand are zones. So we are also gonna mark the support zone. So we are just gonna mark the latest support zone. We are not gonna dwell much on the last support zone. So this is the support zone. So also here, if you look at it, this is a very strong level. This is a very strong level of support and resistance. If you look at it, has touched 2 times here, and then it also touched this level. So what we are, and then this level, it's actually more than 4 times. So now we are just gonna take all of this to a lower time frame. Reason being, we are looking for immediate entries. We are looking for immediate entries. So I'm just gonna start on a 30 minutes time frame, show you a little bit on this 30 minutes time frame, and then we are gonna quickly move to 15 minutes time frame. That's where we are gonna be entering from. So let me show you this. So you can see clearly now that the levels are still there, and then we are gonna check it this way. We are still gonna mark it as resistance and support on a channel, because I'm hoping the market, I'll show you what I'm hoping for. Let me just do this quickly. I'm hoping for the market to move in this channel and touch this previous level of support, this previous zone of support. if you look at it clearly, when you look at the channel, it could do that, but we just need to confirm. We just need to confirm. We are just looking at the price. We are just trying to understand the price, where the price is going. So this is not what I'm saying the market is gonna do, but that's what I'm hoping the market could do. From my own view, from my own analysis, that's what I'm seeing on the market. So this is what I'm hoping to get, because if you look at this channel, it's doing the same thing that was happening here. So I'm hoping the Nasdaq will come down here to this level and test this level again before it can push up or continue going down. So let's go to a lower time frame so that we get a deeper understanding of what's happening on the market. So guys, for those who are looking for a good broker, I have attached a link in the description. I'm using Deriv broker, so you can open your account from that link. We have synthetic indices there, which you can trade every day, and then we also have forex in there. So if you look at this is where the market is going. This is what the market has done. Sorry for this. So let me show you, let me zoom in so that we can see it clearly. Let me zoom in so that we see it clearly. This is actually what the market is. My predictions are actually correct because the market is already going in my direction. Remember, this should have been our entry, but if we didn't enter here, where should we enter? We are gonna look for the next level of the next level of support. I mean the next strong level. So this is a level. I would enter here. Basically, I would enter here, but because the market is already going down, I wouldn't enter. But if you look at this, the market has created, this is what the market has created, has presented to us, and then it's a very strong level. If you look at it clearly, it's a very strong level, which shows us the market is going down. It was an easy analysis. It didn't need a lot of confirmations. It's already going down. Those who want to enter could enter now, but I strongly recommend that you must be prepared to enter. So I did say I'm gonna show you how to find your take profits and your stop losses. So I would put my stop loss here at the last level of resistance, which is here. I'm gonna look at this level. I'm gonna look at this level and find a proper stop loss. So I would put my stop loss here because it's much safer here. So the market is gonna go down up until this level. From this level, I'm not sure if the market is gonna continue going down because I haven't checked the fundamentals. Because guys, it's very important to check the fundamentals. They show you what exactly the market is gonna do. So this is what the market is going to do. This is what I'm seeing. Let me just put on I'm just gonna put in for short. Let me show you here. This is what I'm seeing. You can enter, actually you can enter here because this is exactly the entry level I was talking about. You can enter here, and then this would be your stop loss. I love my stop losses to be short. I don't want them to be very long. So, because you could suffer a lot of losses. So this is what I'm seeing the market could do. So for those who wanna get the outcome of this analysis, they can follow me on my trading view. It's Mohau Matji. I'll put up a link in the description so that you can follow me on my trading view to view how this setup came about and how it went. So this is what the market should do, and you can join my Telegram group and my WhatsApp group. Also, you can subscribe to a paid course whereby I'll be teaching you live every day on Zoom. So guys, you can join in on my course so that you get a clear understanding of how the market moves and what moves the market. So for today, we didn't have much of this is just the minor confirmations. I'm just gonna show you this, our stop loss. This would be our stop loss. This level would be our stop loss. This would be our entry. This would be our entry, and then we would take profit here. Reason why I'm saying we should take profit here, remember, we are gonna take profit in the support zone here, which is this level. This is where we are gonna take profit. So guys, please make sure you are tuned in every week. I'll be posting a new video, or probably mostly every day, so that you guys get a clear understanding of how the market moves. We are having a very strong sell here. You can check on the news. TradingView has supplied the news for you so that you can check them here easily. We are just gonna search Nasdaq. We are gonna be looking at Nasdaq. Because we are looking at Nasdaq, I'm just gonna show you where to find the news for Nasdaq. And then guys, if you had looked at this on a lower time frame, remember, a signal is stronger on higher time frames. So if you had looked at this at a 5 minutes chart, it could give you a better and a clearer understanding of what's happening on the market. I'm just waiting for my PC to load. As my PC is loading, so guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video so that the YouTube algorithm can share this video to as many people as possible, so that they can also learn how to trade the market. So this was just a small analysis of Nasdaq, and you can see clearly that we had a double bottom, a double top, which confirms that we are going short. You can see here, this is a double top, which confirms that we are going short. This is a double top, guys. You may look at it in other ways, but this is a double top, which means we are going down. It's a confirmation that we are going down. I'll be entering this trade, and then I'll be sharing it with you shortly on my group. I'm gonna share it on my group. I'm gonna share it everywhere so that we all understand what's going on. So guys, please make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video so that the YouTube algorithm can share it with other people. And then make sure that you are subscribed to my daily analysis on TradingView so that you can get analysis like this every day. I'll leave the link in the description. I'll also leave a link to my website so that you can clearly find everything there. Please make sure you are subscribed. Make sure that you are in my Telegram group so that you get more and more information about trading Forex. So I'll be sharing more videos with you soon, and I'm quite sure that you'll find them very informative, because I don't just share I don't just share my lifestyle. I don't share my lifestyle. I only share trading related analysis, and then I only share trading related content. You can also subscribe to my signals, whereby you'll get daily signals, daily notifications of what is going on the market. Thank you for watching, and peace.